This is 3rd grade, Unit 1, Module A, Lesson 1, Reading Foundational Skills, Short Vowels and Syllables, BC and CV. Our objective today is that you can decode and read 2-syllable words with short vowels by selecting words that have short vowels in the first syllable. Let's go ahead and read this word together, using the picture to help us if we need. This word is basket. Put it together, basket. Now, one of the things we're going to be focusing on today is that vowels often have short sounds when they are followed by 2 consonants. If we look at our word here, basket, alright, our vowels again are A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. So our vowels in this word are going to be A and E. If we look at this first vowel, the vowel A, it's going to have the short sound because following the vowel we have 2 consonants, S and K. Another thing we want to remember today is that words that have 2 consonants between 2 vowels are divided into 2 syllables by those 2 consonants. So if we look at our word again here, basket, we've got 2 consonants, S and K, that are dividing 2 vowels. Our vowels again are A and E. And what that's going to do is it's going to break it up into 2 syllables. Syllables again are when our voice goes up or down. Alright, so in our word basket, we have basket, 2 syllables. Let's go ahead and use what we learned to now blend this word. I'm going to go ahead and sound out each letter. Go ahead and sound it out with me. B, A, S, K, Et. Put it together, basket. Alright, let's use what we learned to help us practice on this word here. Alright, so I look at my word. I have our 2 vowels. Our 2 vowels are again the I and the E. And what do you know? Right in between those we have 2 consonants. We have the letters T and T. So I know that this one is going to make a short I sound. Let's go ahead and sound out each of the letters and then we'll blend them together. Here we go. It, t, n. Put it together, mitten. Alright, finally we have some more words that I want you to practice on. We're going to do the first 4 together, and then I'll give you a little time to do the other ones by yourself. Here we go. Let's sound out each letter on these. T, n, is. Tennis. Ort. Effort. Id, end. Ridden. Est. Contest. Good. I want you guys to go ahead and do the last 6 by yourself. Same exact thing. I want you to go ahead and sound out each letter and then blend it together. Remember to use what you have learned.